Tēnā koutou katoa, ngā mihi mahana kia koutou katoa. These latest resources are all centred around banners or flags. The first one is Te Whenua, and these are components of New Zealand place names or parts of our whenua. So we've got maunga, we've also got ngahere, roto. This one here is locations, 1.5 in our curriculum, and they're all centred around a taniwha and his location with the object, and it comes with another flag asking the question and stating where the taniwha is. We've got the weather, that is 2.2 in the curriculum. Some examples, kapua, pukarere. We've got cultural items, or Aotearoa ngā taonga, wharenui, pūtōrino, some really cool ones in there. And also as part of that, I have made this, or added this whakatauki resource, which is really cool. So basically the akonga colour in these, and then they can string them along together like so. And they also might want to do something like this, which is putting it on, making it into one banner, and then I've just put harakeke on this one to make it so they can take it home or something like that. So these are my special bundle for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori. Thanks very much. Ngā mihi.